Today, we're showcasing the installation of the Vicrez Redeye style hood, part number VZ102319, designed for a bold and aggressive upgrade. Engineered for a precise fit and crafted from high-quality materials, this hood transforms your ride's look instantly. Let's dive into the installation and see it come to life. Start by carefully unpacking your new Vicrez Redeye style hood. Inspect the hood for any shipping damage before proceeding. Next, remove the factory hood by disconnecting the washer fluid hose, hood latch, and unbolting the hinges. Have an extra set of hands ready. It makes removal safer and easier. Now align the new Vicrez hood with the factory mounting points. Secure it using the original hardware, but only hand tighten for now. Adjust the fitment by making small tweaks until the gaps are even on both sides. Once aligned, fully tighten the bolts, reconnect the washer hose, and check that the hood latch engages smoothly. Finish by giving everything a final inspection to ensure a perfect fit and a flawless new look. And of course, to finish up the makeover on our project car, we wrapped it up in our Vicrez vinyl, part number VZV10148, covering the entire car for that flawless custom look. The high-quality vinyl not only enhances the style, but also protects the paint underneath. We carefully prepped the surface, removing any dust, grease, and imperfections to ensure maximum adhesion. Starting from the center panels and working outward, we applied the vinyl using heat guns and squeegees to stretch and mold it perfectly to every curve. Precision cuts around the edges and body lines made for a factory-quality finish. The result? A completely transformed vehicle that looks like it just rolled out of a custom shop, wrapped, protected, and ready to turn heads with that signature Vicrez style. It's worth noting we also installed our Vicrez Widebody Kit Hellcat conversion, part number VZ102199, giving the car an even more aggressive stance, wider fenders, and that bold, track-inspired look that truly completes the transformation.